in the Amazon rainforest hunting for caiman. Two tribesmen here on the side using their skills and wisdom to track the beast in the hope that we will be able to secure dinner later on this evening. Can we see any in the water? They can be anywhere lurking. Is that one? Thomas over there, another tribesman, is using a different technique called the stick splash to catch any kind of piranhas floating in the water. Not floating, swimming, sorry. Oh, Henry here is using some form of toxin from a wild plant which he will then chew and spit into the eyes of the caiman. You've seen one. He's being very still. Seb is using the technique of foot feeling for caiman. Can you feel one? Sorry, I thought it was a caiman. Sorry, I thought it was a caiman. Is it? It's warm here now, actually. Once you're in here, it's lovely. It's nice. Yeah, get your bath today. Fresh water. Finding our way through the forest. Now hunting for something else. Something that's not water-based. Oh, hang on a minute. It's not easy trying to get over this. Ooh. Having been to the Amazon before, this is a memorable challenge. Crossing an ancient pathway. Sounds like one of the children have just been eaten by something. The language of the local tribe. They're called the Val tribe.
You what? What?
I owe you! Fighting through the undergrowth, the tribesmen try to hunt the caiman. Its elusive nature means they have to be extremely stealthy and sharp-eyed. Seb is doing the call of the caiman baby, trying to attract a female. While Thomas is still implementing his stick slap, Henry's going for the kill. He's just thrown a stone. Did he manage to get the caiman?
Getting you back.
Still calling for the baby caiman, the juveniles that make this distinctive sound. The waters of the murky Amazon are a treasure trove in themselves, but one ought to beware of the dangers that lurk beneath the surface.